Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the items that I purchased in Hawaii from Gucci and the savings that I had in buying them there, including the sales tax and some of the items discounted. Hi, and welcome to my channel. I hope that you will consider subscribing. My channel consists of fashion and beauty, artistic and non-artistic Bible studies, clothing hauls, as well as beauty tips and tutorials, and just some plain old-fashioned fun. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. Okay, so here is the first item that I purchased from Gucci, and I will go ahead and let you guys know that these are the only pair of shoes that I bought, and they are the Marmont espadrille slide Gucci, and they retail for $590. When you purchase items in Hawaii, the only items that are discounted is the handbags, and everything else is pretty much regularly priced. But anyway, I bought these. They only had a size 6, which is a size 36, and they fit really well. I was a little bit worried because I tend to be a true 36.5, which is a 6.5, and I tried them on in store and they fit perfectly. So I'll go ahead and slide them on my foot here in a second to let you guys see. But I really like the design on the bottom. I thought they were really cute. It was really hard to choose which ones I wanted to buy, but I decided that I really wanted more of a casual shoe. I don't dress very casual often, but when I do, I lack in that area, to be honest with you. So I wanted to go ahead and incorporate a shoe that I could wear on a casual basis. I even think I could probably wear these to work. So that was what I bought as far as shoes. Now I will go ahead and unbox the woman's belt. I bought this one in a size 85. The size 85 is a size 4 to 6. And so I went ahead and bought it. I tend to wear a belt more with dresses, and so I really like that they all came with dust bags. I noticed that the belt was in a dust bag, so I wanted to make sure that I had a dust bag with the shoes. And so they did. I can't say that I used them. I've used the shoes often lately, but I don't put them back in the dust bags. I just don't see a need for that. The belt I do keep in the dust bag after I've worn it. But the belt retailed for $460, and so I was excited that I finally bought a belt. I use my replica or dupe belt all the time, and I'll tell you what, it's so nice to have a belt that actually is authentic, and I know I'll get the use out of it because I wear that dupe all the time, and I really like the style. So when I decided to get something, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and get the belt. And so the belt and the shoes were not discounted, but Hawaii does have a lower tax rate. So their tax rate is 4.12%. In Dallas, Texas, where the nearest Gucci is for me, I would pay 8.25%. So the taxes for all of my items was $74.79. But if I had bought them in Dallas, it would have been double that because the tax rate again is 8.25. So I had savings as far as the tax. Now I went ahead and bought this Marmont leather mini bag on a chain from Gucci. I've really gotten to where I like the smaller bags, and actually I've been able to fit a lot of things in this bag. I paid $745 for this bag. It retails in Dallas for $920, so I had a huge savings there. The bags in Hawaii are 25% less, and so even though the shoes and the belt were not a lower cost, all of the handbags, wallets, things like that are definitely cheaper. And then with the tax rate, I ended up saving at least $400 to $500, which kind of meant to me that I got the belt for free because the savings was incredible. I couldn't believe how much I saved. So anyway, the packaging was amazing. I really enjoyed buying the Gucci items that I bought, and I look forward to purchasing more. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.